Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection, and we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so that they grow the way we want them to. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you'd like to participate in, contribute to, or you just want to hang out, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. Alright, so I'm excited to announce that a company reached out to me to try their product. The company's name is VIVOSUN. I'm going to put their information in the description below. They contacted me. They wanted to know if I wanted to try out one of their shelves. I said sure, send it over, and yeah, I'm going to show you what they sent me. So, here we go! Alright guys, so this is the end result. It does come with wheels. I'm not gonna, oh, the dog. Hi baby. Alright, anyway, I'm not gonna put the wheels on because I actually like how it looks like this. But it looks really cute. As you can see, it's just basically a whole bunch of nuts and bolts. Put it together. It took me about 15-20 minutes. Really simple. It looks really cute. I'm going to get some plants, pop them on so that you can get a better view of the entire thing all plantified. And yeah, alright, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the shelf all planted out. As you can see, I think each shelf you could definitely put a 10-inch plant. Yeah, I think this looks really cute. It's by VIVOSUN. It took me 15 to 20 minutes to put together. It's really, I think it's really, really cute. You can also put, it looks like up to four 4-inch pots on each shelf if you wanted. So depending on your style, if you're a bigger pot type of plant person or a smaller pot type of plant person, depends on how many plants you can put on here. But it does come with wheels. I'm not going to put the wheels on for mine because I think it looks really cute just like this. But for people who, you know, want more mobility to be able to move their shelves around, it's a great option. And yeah, so far so good. It's just a whole bunch of nuts and bolts. Really simple. The directions are really simple. And if you're in the market for a plant shelf and you're into this type of stuff, I would definitely go check out VIVOSUN Market. I will link their information in the description below. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so this is just a quick little plant shelf setup video. So until next time, relax, plants, and peace out.